Great performance today, but you lost with two goals. What do you think about this game?
I think it was a great game. We should have been better when we were ahead, but it's difficult. It's an amazing team and in this atmosphere. So yeah, congratulations to Vardar. They were the better team today.
You had a great streak in Champions League. You won two games before. Will this be a setback for you?
Yeah, of course, but we know that every time that we play away games, it's very difficult, and today it was difficult. So we're looking forward to the next match at home.
Was this atmosphere advantage for the home team or for you?
It's a dream to play here. I hope that we can come back someday and play in front of full house, because this is one of the coolest arenas in handball. So yeah.